Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate DKIM key in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Activating a DKIM or domain keys identified mail in Salesforce is a straightforward process that provides several important benefits, particularly related to email authentication, security, and deliverability. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear cog icon setup. Click that and hover to the left side pane of your dashboard and go to the email. From there, you would be able to see the DKIM keys. I want you to click on it. If you haven't already, I'm going to zoom it out so you guys can see it, because Salesforce uses DKIM keys to sign outbound emails that your organization sends from the Salesforce platform. You can create a new view, or if you wanted, you can create a new key if you haven't already, right? Now here, all you have to do is select the key size. Is it going to be like a 1024-bit, 2048-bit? You see there's going to be a selector. Enter a unique name to help identify this DKIM key. In my case, I'm going to put in maybe like deep laughs. And of course, from here, all you have to do is put in all the information. Click on save, and that's how you activate your DKIM key in Salesforce. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.